Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here today to show you this computer stand. Haha, it's funny, it's all in Chinese. It doesn't say what it is, but it's a computer ROI card. I guess you can see by the picture what it is there. It says it is a computer tower desk accessory. So we're gonna open this up. I'll show you guys what it is here. Here, you guys can't see, there you go. So it comes with 4 wheels, some screws and pieces and parts, and oh, it comes with one of those things that the cables can go through. That's nice, and it looks like a little clip too. Very nice. So this is all the pieces and parts. Let's try to put this thing together. Put it together. How about that? So let's open it up here. I'll show you guys how it goes. So we have the ability to set it up with distance, I guess, so we can have it as close or as far, as big and wide as we want. We have these little screws here with the little square heads, and we have these spin nuts. So let's see, I guess it'll go down. It'll have this in the middle of the, oh, I know, we'll do it on the bottom. Okay, so let me put these aside. Let's put on the wheels here. Just to see, make sure it's going to fit all right. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have the 4 wheels there, and a little wrench. So yeah, these wheels are going to be kind of good. So let's move this side here. So they're going to be, oh yeah, for sure. I was just curious if it was going to go down far enough. But yeah, absolutely. Up on the same side. I guess it really doesn't matter too much, but it rolls every direction. Let's open up this here. I'll show you what the cable mount is here, and then we'll go try it with a computer. So this is the cable system here, and the way these work, it's really cool. I think you can start it like this. So you put your cable through it, and then as it goes, it slides through like that. And it just pulls your cable through this whole thing here, so you can just put it on there in one easy step. I mean, how cool is that? So you just have your wire fed through, and it just goes, and it goes inside of there like that. So that's what this is for. It's not a hair tie. But okay, so let's go try this thing out, and we'll go over the other side of the room. On my way over to this side of the room, I broke my ring light. I broke my microphone connector. This little thing fell off, so now I can't use my wireless microphone. So this hasn't been a good time, but I'm going to show you guys this this rack here. So this is what you will put your computer on, and you can roll it around. So this is what it would be. You can roll it under the desk. I didn't realize I only have my MacBook Pro here, which is this little square. So, but I'm gonna put this really heavy, I don't know what this is, some sort of door lock on here. And you can see it rolls great with all the weight on it. This thing weighs way more than any computer will. So it rolls good. And you see the way now it's like wide like that? That's what you would adjust these for. And you can make them narrower or wider to fit whatever width your computer is on there. So how cool is that? It's a really nice little system. You just roll it under your desk, and it's not too high. It adds an extra couple of inches to it, you see, and totally adjustable. And then you can run your wire through this to make it nice and clean. So it comes with everything. Really nice setup for your desktop. Thumbs up for me.